Hello guys, I hope everything is going well for you. In that video, I'm going to show you two piano patterns that every gospel musician should know. But before getting started, I'm asking you please to subscribe to my channel because this is the only one way that you can support me, guys. And before starting, don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, okay? And without wasting any time, let's get started. In that video, we will be in the key of F sharp major. First of all, let's play the C sharp major scale, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have the 1, which is F sharp, 2, which is G sharp, 3, A sharp, 4, B, 5, C sharp, 6, D sharp, and then we have 7, which is F, and then back to the 1. Okay? Okay, the first pattern is played like this. So let me explain this to you. You can see that I played a movement like this. Okay, so this is so easy. Let me explain this to you. As a pianist, we all know that every triad have 3 positions. Okay, first we have the wood position, we have the first inversion, and we have the second inversion, and then back to the wood. Okay, and then we can continue to play all the position of the triad, which is F sharp. Okay, the wood position, the first inversion, the second inversion, the wood position again, the first inversion, the second inversion, okay? All this on the F sharp chord, okay? You see? This is on the 5 chord. Sixth chord. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're just going to take away all the notes that are in the middle. For example, let's start with the 1 chord. There we have that chord. This is a second inversion of F sharp major. Okay, and then with this F sharp in the bottom. Okay, so we're just going to take away the note that is in the middle. This one, okay, we're just going to leave it like this. This is for the second inversion, and then we're going to go up to the wood position, and then we're going to take the note that is in the middle away. We'll take it away. Okay, so okay, and then we will just continue with the next position, which is the first inversion. We will take this note away. Okay, and then we will continue the same way. Okay, so we will stop it there. Okay, and then there we are going to play a 5 chord with the 1 in the bass. Okay, so now this is a 5 chord. We will play it in the same way. Okay, I just played the wood position, the second inversion, the first inversion, and then I'm going to turn back to the second inversion, and then to go to the 4 alto chord. Okay, but I'm going to play it in the same way as the 1. Like this, okay? I take this note away, and in my left hand I just play a part of a 5 with the 1. Okay? Second inversion, first inversion, second inversion to the 4. Okay, this is a 4 drop chord of 4, and I just drop this degree down. Okay, and then I just play the A sharp there. Okay, with the 1 in the bass. Okay, so let me play it slowly for you so you can see everything. And then right after this, I'm going to play a 1 on the 4 chord. 4 add 9 chord. Okay, this is in an odd 9 chord. This is in inversion. So I just okay, this is what I play. This is the one that I play in the hand. So okay, so in C major, in D sharp major, in G sharp major now, okay, in D major now, okay, so in E major, you got it? Okay, now the second pattern is played like this. Let's turn back in the key of F sharp. Okay, so this is almost the same thing. We start in the same way, and then there we're going to play a slash chord. It's like playing the 2 major chord with the 1. Okay, so the 1. Okay, then I'm going to play the 2 major chord with the 1 in the bass. Okay, and then next I'm going to play a 4 minor chord there with the 1 in the bass. Okay, and then back to the 1. Okay, so I'm going to play it in arpeggio. So there I go on the 2 major chord, but in the second inversion. In my left hand I play that chord F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and then there the 2 major chord in the second inversion. I just take away the note that is in the middle, as we said lately, and then we're going to invert it back down, okay, to the left. You see? G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, and then G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp. Okay? These are inversions. And then there we are going to play the 4 minor chord. Okay, it's like playing. This is an inversion of B minor, the first inversion. Okay, so I'm just going to play all these chords without the note that would be in the middle. So I just take away all the notes that would be in the middle. I hope you understand everything. I take all my time to explain this to you. So this is 1, the 2 major chord, and then the 4 minor chord, okay, which is that chord, B minor, and then B minor there without the note that is in the middle, and then B minor again without this note, B minor again without this note, and then back to the 1. And there, this is the one I play with the 1 sus2 chord, F sharp sus2. Okay, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing. And then I end it with my little finger there. Bow. So let me play this one last time slowly for you.